So to start this exercise, what I'm going to ask you to do is take whatever pile of food you have and to just separate one unit of that food from the rest. So for example, if you've got 20 chocolate chips, just take one and set it aside. So you'll have two piles, one with 19 chocolate chips and one with just one chocolate chips. And what I want you to do is first take the larger portion, the handful that you would normally eat, and just do what you would normally do with that portion of food. Just eat it the way you normally would. And then we're going to do something a little different with the other single unit of whatever that food is. And what I'm going to ask you to do is to just focus on that unit of food and just imagine that you've never seen anything like it before. Try to eliminate any preconceived notions about it that you may have. Just look at it. And take it and hold it in the palm of your hand or between your thumb and your finger. If it melts, then find a different way to hold it. See how it feels. Notice how it feels in your hand. Pay attention to it, looking at it really carefully. The shape of it, the size of it, the color of it, as if you've never seen anything like it before. Turn it around, look at it from all angles. Move it real close to your eye so you could get a close look. Now you're touching it. Notice its texture. How does it feel? Is it soft, smooth, wrinkly, crispy? How does it feel? And now smell it. Inhale deeply with curiosity about how it smells. And now slowly bring the item toward your mouth, even noticing the movement of your arm as you bring it closer to your mouth. Notice if you salivate. And notice your reaction, anything that's going on in your mind and your body as the object gets close to your mouth. Now touch it to your lips and then put it in your mouth, noticing any sensations you might be experiencing, and explore the sensation of the object in your mouth. The taste. Where do you taste it? How does it feel in your mouth? And when you've experienced all there is to experience about this object, any crevices, any wrinkles, smoothness, or the flavor profile, then you can bite into it or allow it to dissolve, whatever you feel like doing, noticing its taste and the full experience of eating it. Noticing how it might change in its consistency and how the flavor changes and how it fills your mouth. Fully experiencing eating. And notice when it's gone. And notice any reaction when it's gone. Any thoughts, feelings, or sensations. And now reflect on any different experience you had between the first handful of food that you ate and the second item that you experienced mindfully. Because you've just explored the difference between mindless and mindful eating. And I promise that if you begin practicing putting some mindfulness into your eating, you will enjoy your food more, and you might even eat less. I don't know. And if you're a food lover like me, you're doing yourself a great disservice if you don't enjoy your food with some mindfulness. So I recommend savoring a mindful meal or a mindful snack every day. That would be a real celebration of eating.